Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Poofy Christmas Deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring that already has the stems attached. Sometimes I do use a plain wreath ring and attach my own stems. I will link videos in the description box down below showing you the different methods I've used. This adorable sign for the center, 21-inch Deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors, and a hot glue gun. All right, let's get started. So first thing I like to do is raise all of my stems, just because I feel like it makes the wreath making process a little bit faster. All right, then I'm going to take my mesh, roll it to a nice little point, and start on the outer stem. Place my mesh, twist it a couple of times, and then I'm going to make a poof. And the size of the poof, that is completely up to you. You can make it large, small, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna make it a pretty decent size, and then place the mesh in the next stem. And just continue going all the way around the wreath. Okay, so I am coming back around to my starting point, and I'm just going to make another poof and place it in the same stem that I started with, and twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps on the inner ring. Cut my mesh and I'm just tucking it away. Now I'm going to kind of flare out and fluff out all of my poofs. They are so large and poofy, so cute and adorable. It's a huge poofy wreath. You can make yours even poofier, or if you don't want it as poofy, you can just make your poof smaller. Now we're going to get our sign ready for the center. I'm just going to cut off the top hanger, put my sign over, take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. And then I'm going to hot glue them in place. And just make sure you have enough of your stem hanging off the side of your sign so that you can easily attach it to your wreath. Sometimes I do add in shorter mesh to my bundles, but this time I think I want to just have a nice poofy classic red wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck away all of my stems. You could, if you don't want to tuck them away, you can kind of just curl it like that. That's an option. And I'm just, again, fluffing out all of my poofs. This is a very, very poofy wreath. And then we're just going to add the sign to the center. So before I add the sign, I kind of like to push out the mesh so my sign doesn't cover too much of it. Snugly place my sign in the center. And then push the mesh aside and attach my stem to the actual wreath ring a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. Okay, it looks so cute and precious. Fluff it up, fill out any gaps or spaces. Again, you can add in any additional embellishments you like. You can add in ornaments, ribbon, bows, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the style, add in any additional embellishments.